Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid sparks or damage. Once done, pry off the trim and remove the center console panels. Use plastic tools so you don't scratch. Now, expose the lighter socket and clear loose debris, vacuum or blow it out, then inspect for corrosion or melted plastic. You want a clean, visible socket before working further, because visibility and safety determine whether you can repair or must replace the unit. You next verify power. Set a multimeter to 12V and test the socket while the battery is reconnected briefly, then disconnect again. If voltage is present but no contact, gently lift or replace the center contact with a small brass tab or a new terminal. Corrosion needs sanding to bright metal. If wiring is loose, splice with solder or a crimp terminal and heat shrink for insulation. Make sure the ground is solid and the inline fuse is the correct rating before reassembling. You finish by reassembling panels and reconnecting the battery, then test the socket with a lighter plug or a USB adapter. You should see a steady 12V and stable power. If it's intermittent, wiggle the harness to find a loose connector and recheck the fuse and ground. A blown fuse points to a short. If you detect heating, discoloration, burning smell, or repeated fuse blows, replace the entire socket assembly. Don't risk a fire, and that will solve persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.